I love this picture of lips. So we are ready to do the sound in motion for letter L. It is one of my favorites. I have so many favorites. So you put your fingers like this, and you're going to roll them as you put your head back and your fingers follow back. Just do the motion. Watch me. Great. And the sound is L. See my tongue? It's in my mouth behind my teeth. It's not in front of my teeth. That would be too hard. It's curled up behind my top teeth. L. I'll go closer, make sure you can hear. L. Got it? L. Let's do those fun lips. L is for lips. What animal is our puppet? Lion. L is for lion. And in the Bible, it talks about a lion and a lamb who can be friends on the new earth. Lamb. L is for lamb. How about, what's that? Love. L is for love. Lovely. You, I'm sure, can think of many, many names that start with L. And food that you like. Keep working on L. I think you will love this sound in motion. It will help you read. It will help you write.